Hello everyone, this is the EVS class for standard 5th. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 22, Food and Digestion. In this module, we will learn about why we need food, different components of food, what is balanced diet, and about digestion. Let us see. First, why we need food. Do you know why do we need food? Let us try to understand these. The petrol or diesel that goes into the car gives it energy to run. Same way our body needs energy to work. In car, this energy comes from petrol. From where does the body get energy to work? In the body, it comes from food and oxygen. We eat food that gives us energy to grow and work. All living things need energy to carry out different types of activities. This energy is obtained from food. Now let us talk about the different nutrients in food. Nutrients are essential substances that provide nourishment necessary for proper development and growth of the body. We eat food such as cereals, pulses, meat, milk and milk products, vegetables, fruits, etc. All this food contains nutrients in the form of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Now let us talk about the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates provide energy and are therefore called energy-giving nutrients. Carbohydrates are found abundantly in food grains such as rice, wheat, and maize. Food items like bread, chapati, oats, cornflakes, pasta, and rice, as well as fruits like banana, carbohydrates rich fruit. Now let us talk about the fats. Sources of fats include dairy products such as milk, butter, ghee and cheese, etc. Oils, nuts and dry fruits also contain fat. Fats provide energy and warmth to the body. The body does not need much fat, however, since it provides heat and warmth to the body. People living in cold places and in high mountainous areas need more fatty food to keep their body warm. Now let us talk about the proteins. Proteins repair worn out tissues and muscles of the body and are therefore called body building nutrients. Major sources of protein are meat, fish, poultry milk, cheese, eggs, as well as beans and pulses. Now let us talk about the vitamins. Vitamins play a key role in building the body's immune system and prevent it from catching infections and disease. That is why vitamins are called protective foods. Fruits and green leafy vegetables are rich sources of vitamins. Now let us talk about the minerals. Our body needs minerals like iron, calcium, iodine, and potassium. Iron is needed for making blood and is found in green leafy vegetables. Carrot and beet are sources of iron. Calcium helps in building strong bones and teeth. Milk and milk products like butter, cheese, curd, buttermilk, and paneer are rich in calcium. Banana contain potassium, a mineral that improves blood quality and also strengthens muscles. Now, important thing is water. Water constitutes about 60% of our body and it's vital for all the body functions related to its development and growth. It also helps in flushing out liquid wastage in the form of urine and sweat. This is why we must drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Now let us talk about the roughage. Roughage is the fiber rich indigestible part of food which helps in excretion. Salad fruits such as cucumber, broccoli, lettuce, capsicums, leeks are sources of roughage. Now let us talk about the balanced diet. A balanced diet that contains all the nutrients required by our body in the right amount is called a balanced diet. Whether one is a vegetarian or non-vegetarian, one must always eat a balanced diet and healthy diet. Let us understand what is digestion. Is the food we eat directly gets utilized to provide energy, or is it processed or changed before it is ready to be used by our body? The food we eat is made of big and complex particles. It needs to be broken down into small and simple substances so that our body can use the food. This process is called digestion. The food we eat cannot be used directly by our body. Digestion is a process in which the food we eat is broken down into smaller and simpler forms, which can then be easily absorbed into the blood and used by the body. The passage along which food passes from the mouth to the anus during digestion is called the alimentary canal. It included the mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and the anus. Now your homework is find out the different components of food in the word greet. Write their names in your homework copy.